Can you believe our day is finally here? It really did just sneak up on us. I'm actually pretty nervous this morning, and I'm not sure why, because I've known I wanted to marry you since the very beginning of our relationship. You're so smart, kind, sweet, and the most handsome man I've ever met. I have so much fun with you, and as much as you get on my nerves sometimes, I still love the crap out of you. I'm so lucky to have you in my life, and now to spend the rest of my life with you.
While our lives keep on twisting and turning like one, I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you. Know that I love someone even more than I thought I could. I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you.
It's hard to believe our big day is finally here. Each day leading up to this moment, I've grown more excited, realizing I will soon be able to call you my wife, all exclamation points. This day is one of the most important chapters of our lives. We've had so many adventures leading up to this point, and I can't wait to see how the rest of our story plays out. I couldn't imagine a better partner to spend the rest of my life with.
You are truly the love of my life, my soulmate, and my best friend. I'll see you soon, handsome. Love, Megan.
And remember, we're here today. It's a day to celebrate our love for each other. We will see each other before you know it. Love, Joey.
Megan and Joe want to welcome you to the celebration of their love for one another. Each of you has given something special to their lives. Some good, some bad.
A beautiful day like today really makes me think back to, the first time I met you guys. And I can remember that day like yesterday. You guys came over to the house, and just the way you guys looked at each other, I could tell that that was a true love.
May you be in love forever, and may the love touch all of those whom you come in contact with.
When I saw Joey come home with Megan the first time, I knew that he had found something special, and it makes me happy that you found something special. I really do. I really am happy for you guys. I wish you all the best. Thank you for this distinct pleasure of coming here tonight and being one of your best men.
Joe and Megan, there is an amazing life ahead of you. Live it fully. Love its changes and choices. Let life amaze you, and may it bring you great joy. You can now kiss the bride.
Now, all these years later, on something like this, it's beautiful, and you guys still have the same look in your eye, and that's something to be cherished and sought after. So keep that shit up. You guys will be good.
The relationship we are all here to celebrate began during the spring semester of their junior year of college in Alfred, New York. Joey and Megan met at Mug Night in Alfred.
You two complement each other, accept each other, and love each other in such an effortless way.
We couldn't be more happy to welcome you into our family. So with that, if you could raise your glass and toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Cacanese.
But you actually didn't think that was it, did you? This is for you, Joey. Come on. Here's to you tonight. We hope it's all right. We're gonna lay it all out.
really use our voice. Yeah, we're gonna apologize now.